What if I told you that the same AI that can write your emails and create stunning art could also be turned into a weapon? Today, we're diving deep into the dark side of generative AI and the security challenges that keep cybersecurity experts awake at night. Welcome back to AI Academy, and in today's video, we're exploring the critical security implications of generative AI. From prompt injection attacks to deep fake threats, we'll uncover the vulnerabilities that could reshape cybersecurity forever. Let's get started. First, let's establish what we mean by generative AI security. While traditional cybersecurity focuses on protecting systems from external threats, generative AI security deals with the unique challenge. The AI itself can be both the target and the weapon. Think of it like this. Imagine if your security guard could be hypnotized to work against you. That's essentially what we're dealing with here. Why should you care? Well, by 2024, over 75% of enterprises are using some form of generative AI. These systems process sensitive data, make important decisions, and interact with millions of users daily. A single vulnerability could expose personal information, spread misinformation, or even manipulate financial markets. The stakes have never been higher. Let's start with one of the most insidious threats: prompt injection attacks. Imagine you're using an AI assistant for your business. An attacker crafts a cleverly disguised prompt that makes the AI ignore its safety guidelines and leak confidential information. It's like social engineering, but for machines. Here's how it works. 1. Normal user query. 2. Malicious prompt injection. 3. AI being compromised. 4. Data breach. Next up, data poisoning. AI models are only as good as their training data. Attackers can deliberately corrupt this data during the training process, creating backdoors that activate under specific conditions. It's like poisoning a well. Once it's contaminated, everything that drinks from it becomes infected. Then we have model theft. Advanced AI models represent millions of dollars in research and development. Attackers use various techniques to extract these models or reverse engineer their capabilities. It's intellectual property theft on steroids, and it's happening more frequently than you might think. Finally, the threat everyone's talking about: deepfakes and synthetic media. These aren't just fun face swap apps anymore. We're seeing weaponized deepfakes used for fraud, political manipulation, and cyberbullying. The technology has become so sophisticated that detecting fakes is increasingly difficult, even for experts. Let me paint you a picture. TechCorp uses an AI assistant for internal communications. An attacker poses as an employee and uses prompt injection to make the AI reveal sensitive project details. Within hours, their competitor mysteriously announces a similar product. Coincidence? I think not. Here's another scenario. A financial services company uses AI for loan approvals. Attackers poison the training data to create bias toward approving loans for fake identities they control. The result? Millions in fraudulent loans before anyone notices the pattern. And perhaps most concerning, state-sponsored actors use generative AI to create thousands of fake social media profiles with believable post histories and profile pictures. They then orchestrate massive misinformation campaigns that can influence elections, stock prices, or public health decisions. So, how do we fight back? First line of defense: robust input validation. Just like web applications need to sanitize user inputs, AI systems need sophisticated filters to detect and block malicious prompts. This includes pattern recognition, anomaly detection, and multi-layer validation systems. Second, we need comprehensive model monitoring. This means tracking model behavior, detecting unusual outputs, and implementing circuit breakers that shut down systems when they detect potential attacks. It's like having a security guard that never sleeps. Third, security must be built into the development process from day one. This includes adversarial testing, where teams actively try to break their own AI systems, regular security audits, and implementing the principle of least privilege. AI systems should only have access to the minimum data and resources they need. Finally, maintaining human oversight. Critical decisions should always have human verification, especially in high-stakes scenarios like finance, healthcare, or legal applications. Looking ahead, we're seeing governments worldwide scrambling to create AI regulations. The EU's AI Act, Proposed legislation in the US and similar initiatives in Asia all aim to establish security standards for AI systems, but regulation often lags behind technology, leaving gaps that attackers are eager to exploit. As AI becomes more sophisticated, so do the threats. We're already seeing early examples of AI-powered cyber attacks that adapt and evolve in real time. Imagine malware that uses generative AI to write new variants of itself, or social engineering attacks that create personalized phishing campaigns for each target. The future of cybersecurity will be defined by this AI arms race. So, there you have it, the current state of generative AI security. The technology that promises to revolutionize our world also presents unprecedented risks, but awareness is the first step towards protection. Whether you're a developer, business leader, or just someone who uses AI tools, understanding these risks helps you make better decisions. If you found this deep dive valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more content on emerging tech threats. What aspect of AI security concerns you most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, in the world of AI security, paranoia isn't a bug, it's a feature. Stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.